Greetings, fellow cosmic travelers, and welcome. I'm thrilled you've decided to join me on this journey through the cosmos. We often look up at the night sky and feel a sense of wonder, but how much do we truly know about our own cosmic home? The vast, sprawling city of stars we call the Milky Way is filled with secrets, mysteries, mind-bending realities that are far more spectacular than you might imagine. Prepare to have your perspective shifted, because today we're peeling back the celestial curtain to reveal some of the most amazing and lesser-known facts about our home galaxy. We're going to venture from the supermassive black hole at its core to its warped and cannibalistic edges. We'll talk about its incredible speed, its future collision with a galactic neighbor, and the invisible stuff that holds it all together. These aren't just trivia points, they are puzzle pieces that help us understand our place in the universe. Thinking about these things connects us not only to the stars, but to the very fabric of space and time itself. So, if you're ready to expand your mind and explore the universe with me, consider this your official invitation. So, what exactly is the Milky Way? For a long time, we pictured it as a simple, elegant spiral, like a cosmic pinwheel. But the universe, as it often does, had a more interesting design in mind. Our galaxy is what astronomers call a barred spiral galaxy. Now, what does that mean? Instead of arms curling directly from the core, there's a straight, bar-shaped structure of stars running through the middle. It's from the ends of this stellar bar that the grand spiral arms begin their graceful, sweeping journey outwards. This bar funnels gas and dust inward, fueling star formation and feeding the central black hole. Using infrared eyes like Spitzer, we peered through dust and confirmed the bar's existence. We measure cosmic distances with light years. The distance light travels in a year. That's about 5.88 trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometers. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across. Even at light speed, you'd need 100,000 years to cross it. Our fastest spacecraft would need roughly 150 million years. Our entire solar system is a microscopic speck in this vast disk. That Milky Band you see is thousands of light years of stars, dust lanes, and spiral structure. You're looking toward a heart whose light takes millennia to reach us. Grasping our galaxy's size is the first step toward understanding the universe's true scale. We're in the galactic suburbs, about 27,000 light-years from the center, nestled within the minor Orion arm, between the major Sagittarius and Perseus arms. It's a relatively calm region, good for life, unlike the dangerous, crowded core. We're in the galaxy's habitable zone, safe enough, yet rich in heavy elements. Our solar system orbits the Milky Way's center at about 515,000 miles per hour, or roughly 828,000 kilometers per hour. One galactic orbit takes about 230 million years, a cosmic year. The last time we were here on this path, dinosaurs had just begun to roam Earth. The entire Milky Way itself is hurtling through space at about 1.3 million miles per hour, around 600 kilometers per second. We measure this relative to the cosmic microwave background, the Big Bang's afterglow. We're being tugged by massive structures, the Virgo cluster and the Great Attractor. The Great Attractor, approximately 150 million light-years away, pulls thousands of galaxies, including us. We can't see it directly. Our galaxy's dust blocks the view, but we feel its gravity. So we're spinning, orbiting, and also gliding across the universe, drawn by unseen giants. If you're enjoying the ride, hit subscribe and join our community of curious minds. Our tour of the Milky Way is just getting started. Our nearest major neighbor, Andromeda, sits about 2.5 million light-years away, and it's headed our way. It's closing in at roughly 250,000 miles per hour. The Great Cosmic Crash arrives in about 4.5 billion years. But galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars will rarely collide. Gravity will distort spirals and fling out tidal tails as the pair dance and merge. After hundreds of millions of years, they'll form a giant elliptical, nicknamed Milkomeda. Beyond the bright disk lies a vast halo of hot, diffuse gas extending hundreds of thousands of light-years. It's heated to 2.5 million Kelvin, coronal hot, yet so tenuous it's faint. We detect it in X-ray and ultraviolet light with specialized observatories. The halo is a recycling plant. Supernovae blast metals up. Gas circulates, cools, and rains back to form new stars and planets. It helped solve the missing baryon problem. Much of the normal matter hides in this hot halo. At our galaxy's heart lurks a monster, Sagittarius A. Stars race around an invisible mass, a black hole about 4.3 million suns. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope captured its first image, the glowing ring around its shadow. Unlike raging quasars, our black hole is relatively quiet, nibbling wisps of gas and flickering in X-rays. Evidence suggests co-evolution. The galaxy and its central black hole grow together. Sagittarius A is the silent conductor of our galaxy's grand orchestra, shaping its past, present, and future. Only about 10 to 15% of the Milky Way's mass is visible. The rest is dark matter. Vera Rubin found outer stars moving too fast, implying a massive, unseen halo. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It reveals itself only through gravity. It may be new particles, WIMPs or axions, still undetected in accelerators. Whatever it is, dark matter is the invisible scaffolding our galaxy is built on. The Milky Way grows by eating smaller neighbors, tearing them into stellar streams. The Sagittarius dwarf is being shredded now, its stars wrapping us like celestial spaghetti. Gaia mapped streams and odd stellar motions, ancient merger remnants like Gaia Enceladus. Small galaxies formed first. Over time, they merged to build giants like ours. Under a dark, moonless sky, the Milky Way appears as a luminous river of light. Dark patches aren't holes, they're dust clouds, stellar nurseries blocking distant starlight. Find a dark sky site, let your eyes adapt for 20 minutes, and watch the galaxy emerge. Cultures worldwide named this river of stars, the Silver River, the Winter Street, the backbone of night. Step back. Our Milky Way is one grain among billions upon billions of galaxies in the cosmic web. Deep images suggest up to 2 trillion galaxies, 10 galaxies for every star in the Milky Way. Which fact blew your mind? The Andromeda collision, our million-mile-per-hour dash, or the invisible dark matter?